So once again, welcome to Taj Tyres YouTube channel. I'm doing a regeneration on a VW Tiguan on a 2013. There's the details there. So it's 2013 VW Tiguan 2-litre TDI. So basically I'm just waiting for the light that we have is that one there, and that's a DPF light basically. So it's this one here which shows you the DPF, diesel particulate filter blockage. I did a test on it and it came up with 18.3 soot level. So basically what I'm going to do now is I'm performing a regeneration, static one, not a driving one. You can do a driving one, but I'm actually doing a static one. So you can see now it's saying procedure will continue automatically when all temperatures limits have been achieved. You can raise the engine speed, so basically if you want to get the temperature hot quicker, the temperature before the DPF and temperature after the DPF, so that needs to meet. The coolant temperature is still 82, so it needs to meet the minimum requirement. So that's what we're doing at the moment. So you can see now the condition have met, so allow to idle. And then all you do is touch the continue, and that will then say keep the engine idling. You will now be prompt to press or release brake, clutch or accelerator pedal. You will have to complete this procedure within 30 seconds of time frame. And as you can see, it can take 10 to 40 minutes depending on the soot level. So there you go. So carry out. So it's asking you to press the brake pedal and clutch. That's done. Now it's asking you to fully depress the accelerator, and that's it. Now it's started. So now what you're looking at, it shows you the level, so you can see the regeneration soot level measured, and then the soot level calculated at 8.92. Like I said, it's 1500 RPM, and it shows you exactly how it is. So that shouldn't take long because it's only 18.93. So as you can see, the soot level, if you look at where it says measured, that's now, the reason it's in minus because it's downloading the calculated soot from the exhaust data and it's uploading onto the system to tell me how much it's been uploaded and downloaded. So you can see how quick that's moving. So yeah, just there. It's quickly downloading and uploading. So here we are, just coming along now. So it's now, the soot level is now down to 1.86. So just nearly there, and once that's finished, it'll ask me to follow one or two procedures, and that should clear it all off. So now this is the result. So basically it tells you DPF regeneration completed, final soot content. It tells you how much it came out. So we press exit, and then after that you've got no light on the engine now, so that's good. So this is the VW Tiguan. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please follow us on YouTube, Taj Tyres, Taj Khan. Thank you so much.